Today we are going to solve this equation to find a x value. Solution: 8 power x equal to 60. Now take a log on both sides. Log 8 power x equal to log 60. Therefore, we know that log our formula log m power b equal to p log m. We are going to implement this here. X log 8 equal to log 60. Now divide by log 8 on both sides. Log 8 here by log 8. This log 8 cancels this. So we have x equal to log 60 by log 8. Now this 60 can be written as 60 equal to 4 times of 15. So we are going to implement here. So x equal to log 4 times of 15 by log 8. Now as per the log product formula, log AB equal to log A plus log B. We are going to implement this here. So x equal to log 4 plus, as per this formula, log is 15 by log 8. Now a plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. We are going to implement this here. So we'll get x equal to log 4 by log 8 plus log 15 by log 8. Now 4 can be written as 4 equal to 2 power 2. Now 8 equal to 2 power 3. So we'll get x equal to log, this 4 can be replaced as 2 power 2 by log 8 can be written as 2 power 3 plus log 15 by log 2 power 3. That is log m power p equal to p log m. We are going to implement this here. So this 2 will come here. So x equal to 2 log 2 by 3 log 2 plus log 15 by 3 log 2. This log 2 cancels this. So we have x equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 log 15 by log 2. Now this 15 can be written as 3 times of 5. So we are going to implement this here. So x equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 log 3 times of 5 by log 2. Now as per the log product formula, this can be written as x equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 log 3 by log 2 plus log 5 by log 2. Here also 1 by 3. X equal to 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 log a by log b equal to log a base b. So we are going to implement this here and here. So log 3 base 2 plus 1 by 3 log 5 base 2. Now x equal to 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 whole divided by 3. This is the x. Now we are going to verify this x with the equation. Check with the equation 8 power x equal to 60. Now 8 power 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 whole divided by 3 equal to 60. Now 8 can be written as 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 open bracket 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 whole divided by 3 equal to 60. This 3 cancels this. So we have 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 equal to 60. Express identity a power m plus n equal to a times of a power n. So we are going to implement this here. So 2 power 2 times 2 power log 3 base 2 times 2 power log 5 base 2 equal to 60. Now we are going to implement this express identity a power log b base a equal to b. So this we are going to implement here. 2 power 2 is 4 times of this is 3 times of this is 5 equal to 60. 4 times of 3 is 12. 12 times of 5 is 60. 60 equal to 60. So LHS equal to RHS. This is verified.